Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the group options in Crystal Report for Enterprise. So, we will see how we can use the group tree for navigation, how we can have the live headers in the report, and how we can do the totaling in the group data. So, let's go to the system and see how we can perform these tasks. So, this is my Crystal Report which I have created in the Crystal Report for Enterprise tool. Here I have created two groups. First is on the state and then on the city. So whenever we create any group in the Crystal Report for Enterprise, a group tree is created for each one of them. So to access that group tree, we have to go into the page mode, and then we can see on the left hand side the group tree option, which will help us to view the groups and the subgroups in the report. So if I click here, I will be able to see all the individual values of the state as well as the cities inside them. So to navigate, I can easily click on any one of them and go to the values directly. So if we notice here, the headers are also changing with the values. So at the start of each group, we have this function group name, which is added by the report automatically, which will provide the live headers in the report. So you can see that the values of the headers are also changing with the report. So this way you can traverse through your report directly using the group tree. Now let's see how we can add the totals in the report using the groups. So if I want to add a total for this extended price, how I will do it? I'll go to the insert tab, and inside the insert tab I have the total option. So inside the total, I can select from the variety of aggregated functions here, like I can do the average of, count of, distinct count of, maximum, minimum, and sum of. Then in the second option, I have to select the object on which I want to apply this aggregation. Then where I want to apply this aggregation, whether I want to insert it at a custom location, or I want to insert it all the group levels, or only in the report footer, or for each grouping of state, or for the each grouping of the city. So let's say if I want to add it at all the group levels, and I have the option where I want to show these aggregated values, whether I want to show them before the data or I want to show them after the data, that is above data or below data, and then I can click on this insert. So now I can see that this sum is added to my report footer as well as my group footer. Now if I go to the page mode, I will be able to see the totals at the end of each group. That is, I can see the total for each city, total for each state, and if I go to the last page of the report, I can see the grand total in the report footer. So this is how we can add the subtotals and the totals as per the groups in the Crystal Report for Enterprise. So in this tutorial, we have seen how we can use the group tree for the navigation, how we can add the subtotals, and how we can see the live data values, live header values in the report. Thank you.